And this?
Mushroom.
Yes, it's a mushroom.
And the last one. Wait for summer.
Wait for
Wait
summer.
for summer. Wait for summer.
Are you waiting for summer?
Yes.
Me
Because
too.
in summer is a holidays.
Yes.
Very. For 3 months.
Now
We
it's a
wait
holiday.
for holidays. No, now it is not holiday.
But you're not in school. Are you at school right now?
No,
No.
it's now.
It's-
Now it's a holiday.
Yes.
Now. Not now this day. But
Okay.
now.
But now it's a holiday. Okay, then let's stop there for today. Our lesson is over. Did you enjoy the lesson?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.